How to get digital customer service right? Great question. These days, customer service studies tend to contradict each other. I read that 2/3 of customers prefer online self-service. Other studies claim that more than half of them are desperate to get in touch with real people. My experience at Pointerpro, well, the key is offering people the best of both worlds: digital convenience and the human touch. Here are my top 3 tips to strike the right balance. Number 1, be responsive. In the fast-paced world of the internet, nobody likes to wait. If a customer contacts you by email and you cannot address their problem right away, at least answer to let them know that they are on your mind, and then get back to them as soon as you can. An instant response from a customer service chatbot is of course convenient. An instant response from a person makes the customer feel important. It shows that your organization cares about both their customers' time and addressing their concerns in depth. Number 2, show empathy. Whether you communicate by email, an online video call, or via chat feature, keep one thing in mind. People tend to forget the details of what they discuss. What they do remember is how they felt when interacting with you. As a human being, you have the unique ability to put yourself in customers' position and approach things from their emotional perspective. So use that advantage. And number 3, auto-personalize. Sometimes quickly delivering a solution is crucial, but too often businesses forget to keep things customized or personalized. Look for tools that combine automation with personalization. For instance, AI speech and text analysis tools can analyze customer sentiment and detect urgency and intent to help you personalize automatic responses. A tool like Pointerpro allows you to create questionnaires that instantly generate personalized feedback reports. So whatever you do, it's time to take your online customer service interactions to a more human level. Get the right strategies and tools in place.